how you build generational wealth from the interest that you get from your money market funds. Meet Anthony. Anthony is 36 years old. Anthony is a breadwinner, a husband, and a daddy. Anthony has an investment of $1 million shillings in his money market fund, and his fund manager is giving him a return of 15% gross of withholding tax. This is equivalent to 12.75% net return. This means that every month, Anthony is taking home 10,680 shillings interest from his investment. What Anthony does, because Anthony is very smart, he takes the 10,680 shillings and puts it into a whole of life insurance policy. He purchases what we call a paid up whole life cover. So this is a policy where he gets to pay premiums for 15 years, but even beyond the 15 years, his policy is permanent and it stays in force. So he gets a whole of life cover with a guaranteed sum assured of 17,571,609 shillings. Every year, this policy accrues a bonus at a projected rate of 2.5% on this sum assured. So that is equivalent to 439,290 shillings annual bonus. So over the 15 years, this bonus will have accrued to 6,589,353 shillings. If you add this to the guaranteed sum assured, the full benefit in this plan is 24,160,962, and this full benefit was achieved by a premium contribution over the 15 years of 1,922,400 shillings. And there you have it. This is how you can utilize the interest from your current investments, be it rental income, be it your bonds or your treasury bills, be it your money market funds. This is how you can utilize the interest that you are making from those investments to build multi-generational wealth that can eventually reach your children and your children's children and your children's children's children. So if this excites you, if this interests you, I want you to drop the word wealth in the comment section. I'll reach out for needs analysis and I will show you the best whole life cover options in the Kenyan market and help you build generational wealth.